Hi guys, this is Suren. We are going to learn how to test Angular project with Jasmine and Karma. First of all, you may ask, why do we need to test code at all? In order to better understand this, let's look into a couple of scenarios. In a project lifecycle, we develop, deploy, and deliver. Where does automation testing fit in? Well, let's take a closer look. Between coding and deployment, testing would help you to identify bugs before your application steps into production. Let's say you develop your code. It runs through a series of task runners in Git, similar to this one. Your test will break if some condition doesn't satisfy to client's requirement. Well, that's a close one. If not for automation testing, you might be answerable. But now you can identify, fix, and rebuild your application. Once it passes testing, you can deploy it to production. Usually, in case of manual testing, we can't be sure that we met all the requirements of client, but now we can. Thereby, it increases productivity, provides 100% code coverage, and end of the day, make the client happy. Also, when it comes to manual testing, it is going to be of no good use as your application scales up with new features. Whereas, in automation testing, the whole functionality of our application can still be tested in matter of seconds compared to hours of testing, maybe regression testing manually. Well, this is not going to be of any help at all. But of course, there are downsides to automation testing. In addition to writing application code, you need to write testing code as well. This is not going to be a good thing for a startup company because your client may expect you to deliver the project in a short and stipulated time frame. And you don't want to be writing test cases or even maintaining them. That is going to take a lot of time. Next, finding developers who is good with test framework as well in the application framework is quite hard. And always there comes the time crunch. You want to be quick or your application may not even reach to production. And last, money. You always want to stay within the budget to retain the client. Even though there are a lot of factors rendering the automation to be complex, I personally prefer that we can never outrun human error and automation might come in handy. So let's get started.